So let's talk about doing different um, LED panels and then getting the timing perfect. You know how for digital signage inside SAM,
Mhm.
inside the system, you know how we can trigger the remote control between pieces of content,
Yep.
right? This is doing it right. Okay. Okay. This is doing it right. Why I say that is because they have timing done perfectly in between the different pieces of content. Got it?
Yeah.
And that's no easy task. This is multiple devices all synchronized up to the same content. But it makes it just look so much better than booths that don't know how to do this. Okay, so let's wait for the next switch over. Look at that.
Yeah.
Okay, that's knowing what you're doing. So they're showing content, showing 3.91 millipixel, 2.97, 2.97, 1.5. So it's people inside the industry that really know what this means. It's the tightness of the pixel pitch, the quality of the LED panels. Okay. Now we're dealing with 3.75 outdoor. So the outdoor panels that we're doing, we can do this kind of install outside. Got it?
Yep.
Okay. So this is a really, really well done Arena LED screen and lighting factory. Did a great job. Very well. Okay, stop recording. Let's go check out.